Welcome, fellow travelers and curious minds. Today, we're embarking on a journey to a land often celebrated for its breathtaking beauty and impressive prosperity, Norway. Officially the Kingdom of Norway, this Nordic gem sits proudly on the Scandinavian peninsula in northern Europe. But it's more than just a mainland country. Imagine remote Arctic islands like Jan Mayen and the Svalbard archipelago. They're all part of this fascinating kingdom. And for those truly global explorers, Norway even has a sub-Antarctic dependency, Bouvet Island, and claims territories in Antarctica, like Peter Thorfjordur Island and Queen Maud Land. With a population of 5.6 million people, Norway might seem small, but its influence is anything but. Its vibrant capital and largest city is Oslo, a hub of culture and innovation. The country itself spans a considerable 385,207 square kilometers, or about 148,729 square miles, making it a land of diverse landscapes and experiences. Norway shares a long eastern border with its Scandinavian neighbor, Sweden. And to the northeast, you'll find Finland and Russia. But what truly defines its geography is its extensive coastline. Facing the Skagerrak Strait, the mighty North Atlantic Ocean, and the Barents Sea, Norway's connection to the sea is deeply ingrained in its history and identity. Now let's talk history. The unified Kingdom of Norway boasts an incredible legacy, established way back in 872 through the merger of various petty kingdoms. That means it's been a continuous entity for over 1,150 years. Of course, it's had its periods of change. From 1537 to 1814, it was part of Denmark-Norway, and then from 1814 to 1905, it was in a personal union with Sweden. Norway maintained its neutrality during the First World War, but sadly, that neutrality was shattered in April 1940, when it was invaded and occupied by Nazi Germany until the end of the Second World War. Today, Norway stands strong as a constitutional monarchy. Harald V of the House of Glücksburg is the current king, and Jonas Gahr Støre has been leading the country as prime minister since 2021. As a unitary state, Norway divides state power between its parliament, cabinet, and Supreme Court, all determined by its foundational 1814 constitution. It's organized into counties and municipalities, ensuring effective governance. And a truly unique aspect of Norway is its recognition of the Sami people, who have a degree of self-determination and influence over their traditional territories through the Sami Parliament and the Finnmark Act. On the international stage, Norway is a key player, maintaining close ties with the European Union and the United States. It's a founding member of crucial organizations like the United Nations, NATO, the European Free Trade Association, the Council of Europe, the Antarctic Treaty, and the Nordic Council. Plus, it's a proud member of the European Economic Area, the WTO, the OECD, and part of the Schengen area, facilitating easy travel and trade. Now, let's delve into what truly sets Norway apart, its societal model. Norway proudly upholds the Nordic welfare model, which translates to universal healthcare and a comprehensive social security system. Its values are deeply rooted in egalitarian ideals, striving for a society where everyone has a fair chance. And how do they fund such a robust system? Well, Norway is incredibly rich in natural resources. The Norwegian state holds significant ownership in key industrial sectors, boasting extensive reserves of petroleum, natural gas, minerals, lumber, seafood, and fresh water. The petroleum industry alone accounts for around a quarter of the country's gross domestic product. In fact, on a per capita basis, Norway is the world's largest producer of oil and natural gas outside of the Middle East. This abundance of resources translates directly into remarkable prosperity for its citizens. Norway consistently ranks among the countries with the highest per capita income globally, featuring prominently on both the World Bank's and IMF's lists. And if that wasn't impressive enough, Norway manages the world's largest sovereign wealth fund, valued at an astounding $1.3 trillion. This fund is strategically invested for the benefit of future generations, a testament to Norway's long-term vision. Before we wrap up, a fun linguistic fact: the Norwegian dialects share mutual intelligibility with Danish and Swedish, meaning speakers of these languages can generally understand each other. It's a wonderful example of the close cultural ties within the Nordic region. So there you have it, a glimpse into the remarkable country of Norway. From its ancient Viking roots and stunning natural beauty, to its progressive social model and incredible economic strength, Norway truly is a land that balances tradition with innovation. The earliest whispers of human life in Norway emerge along its resilient coastline, precisely where the colossal ice shelf of the last ice age. What part of Norway's ancient past or its time in these unions surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this historical deep dive interesting, please give us a like, share this video, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.